I had so much recession in my gums and in the bone. The gum on the front tooth on this side was like way up here. It was just the worst thing. Like looking at my mouth in the mirror just terrified me. And on top of that, I didn't realize how bad of an infection that it had been sitting in there for so long, the halitosis, and I had done everything, just power scrubbing my tongue and just mouthwash and brushing and all the time, and just nothing was helping.
And so we made sure we listened to his concerns, and we wanted a plan to make sure that we could actually address all those concerns. One was with his anxiety and being scared of having dental work done. We wanted to do sedation for him. The other thing was he wanted a really nice smile. He'd been dealing with teeth that had severe periodontal disease, severe gum disease for a number of years, and they were painful. And they didn't look the way that he wanted them to look. We went for doing overdentures. So what he wanted was something that looked really good, that stayed in place, that he could clean easily. Overdentures really fit the bill for doing all those three things.
I was at such a point to where there was no coming back, and they gave me my life back. In situations like mine, a lot of the self-loathing and humiliation that you feel, nobody ever knows because you hide it, and it doesn't have to be that way. You can get it corrected, it can be fixed. It's just something that will change your life for the better. There's nothing better you can do in your life, because if you're not happy with yourself, if you're not confident in your own life, you can't portray that for anybody else. I understand the shame and the fear that you have, but it doesn't have to be that way.